Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you on a Monday. It is August the 21st. This is the summary report for day number, I guess we call it day number two. Day number two of trading these funded accounts. Currently, I have 14 funded accounts that I'm trading, and I already went over this, but basically, we're going to focus on one account. And then as we if we get to like $150 to $200 in profit on this primary account, then I'm going to switch to the different accounts and cycle through them. But we're only going to trade one at a time for now. Again, trying to take it easy and just trying to get acclimated to trading these funded accounts. As I'm sure most of you are aware, it's been a struggle. It's been a struggle to get these funded accounts to pay out. I've blown numerous accounts, and we're just trying to take it slow. So we're only trading micros. So for today, this is just a brief summary of how our trading day went. We trade live every day. All these trades you can see live if you just go to my videos in the live section, and all my videos are there. So this morning, had a really nice move right off the 800s. And on this pullback, we entered on a long right here at the 857s. And we achieved our first profit target here. This was with 3 micros. So we took profit on 2 micros at 30 ticks. And then we moved our stop to break even here. And unfortunately, we did get stopped out on that runner. Unfortunately, it would have ended up being a really nice runner had we not gotten stopped out. But hey, it is what it is. Then we had a really nice move up to the 930s. And then we sold off about 100 points. And we tested this 800 range level again. And I did enter right here on 800s. I was looking to enter long on once we test the 800s. And we did tested it. This was only on 1 micro. We took our profits, about 45 ticks profit that we took there. This made a nice move, and then it pulled back again. It did actually make new lows here. But it immediately pushed back up, and I entered again long here, only 1 micro, and we did take profit here at our next area of resistance, which I think was fine. Now, if I was to critique myself, the reason I only used 1 micro was because I was going against the trend. And when I'm going against the trend, it is a little bit harder for me to pull that trigger. Primarily, I always prefer to go with the trend, but I'm really trying to kind of pre-market, look at different levels that I like, and trading my support and resistance zones. I'm really trying to support or trade off of those support and resistance zones. And, this is part of it. I had identified the 800 level that I want to buy here. It was against the trend. It was a little difficult for me, but and that's why I scaled down to only 1 micro, which kind of builds my confidence, and I just need to get more comfortable with it. And are we going to be right all the time? No, we won't. But the thing is, if I trade 3 micros here, I capture my initial profit target. I'm allowing, the chance I allow this runner, having my stop, this is where it's like hindsight is 20/20. If I have my stop at break even here, then I get stopped out before it keeps going. That would have been frustrating as well. So I don't want to speculate, but obviously it would have been really nice to have a runner to catch some of this move. And we did not. So we were just participants here. Kind of the next level that I had defined was the 950s. And I had wanted to sell short here at the 950s. And after we kind of pushed through the 950s, but then on this candle, we pulled back, entered right here, 954 entry, and we did get a nice pullback. Took my profit here at 940 for about a 60 ticks in profit, which was good. Now, in hindsight, I probably read this wrong, and we ended up having just a really nice trending up day. Basically from noon today on, it was just a really nice uptrend, and I did miss most of this move. So Feels bad a little bit, but it's okay. That's just how trading goes sometimes, especially when we kind of have a levels that we're trying to watch and we're looking for pullbacks off those levels, and it just continues a slow, methodical move up. That can happen. It's okay. We ended the day with $98 in profit. So this account is now $50,326 is the account balance. So we're about $2,300 away from being able to request a payout. Hopefully we'll get there, but for now, that's where we're at. We're going to keep trading that account and focus on building that balance. So this is the TradeZella. This is the basically, yeah, the tracking the 2 days. This is the account we're going to use. Right now, you don't see a lot of data here because I guess knock on wood, but we actually have not had a losing trade since we have started this new challenge, or not challenge, but journey. So hopefully it'll continue, but that's why you don't see much data up here, because they actually need to have a losing trade in order to calculate some of this information here. So hopefully we'll just keep it going like this, but obviously the reality is we're going to have losing trades. That's going to happen, trust me. So it's just a matter of when. But that's it for today. Yeah, overall a good day, and we'll be right back at it tomorrow morning. Join us. We'll be going live usually around 9:15. So take care, everybody. Hope you have a great rest of your evening, and God bless.